Hello and welcome back to Wardlow Mire's. I think we was here 3 weeks or so ago for like a suss out, a bit of a RatPack Grizzly gathering. Well, now we're back again for an even bigger gathering. There's quite a lot of the lads already here. I think most of them are actually out in the hills on a walk. But yeah, me, Sean and Jay just got here. Molly, of course, ramping around in the background. So we're just going to set us shelters up. Be about time for some food maybe, and then beer and all sorts of shenanigans will be going on. I'm looking forward to it. Let's get set up. Right, so hopefully you can hear me over this wind. I brought most of my stuff. It's come in this Bergen. And I've got a couple of like bag for lives with beer and some food in. Here is the setup. It's if you could just make that out, it's the Wild Country Zephyros 2 getting an outing. I've got the jungle British Army jungle bag on the floor. I've not brought a bed because actually I find it more comfortable, especially with a dog. Got a pillow in there. Yeah, when I'm with Molly, it's awkward to stay on the bed because she likes to get on it with me. I can't turn over or anything. It just makes it a bit uncomfortable after a while. So it's actually easier, more spacious on the floor. But yeah, here's something different. A Bango adventure top. This is just tomorrow going to be a bit damp, so this will just give me, because it's got two doors, I've got another door here, so in the morning I can open this side and I can cook in this bit. Should hopefully just give me enough shelter. I actually used that shelter for my oldest lad Curtis when I met Jay and Dean and everyone that first fateful day in the bushcraft forest. Yeah, I think the rest of the lads are still on the walk, so I'll probably bring you back for them shenanigans later. Food time. All the lads are cooking.
Hell yeah.
Got my stove on. We've got some pasta I'm going to boil up. And I'm going to add some chicken curry with it. Luckily Jay brought a light because I forgot one, otherwise I'd be eating rock hard pasta and cold curry. Lovely. Well, the curry's in there now. It is probably a bit aggressively burning. I've already noticed I've burnt a bit of it to the pan, but hey ho, nothing I can't sort out at home. Well, Ray's turned up and then he drove us to the pub. Top man, can't fault him. We're just at the Monsell Head pub. I'm not sure if that's the name of the pub or not, but that's where we are anyway. Beautiful views into the valley. So let's go in and get a pint. Drink. Yeah, I think that's it. Beautiful. Well, I've had 1 pint at Monsell. Ray's took us on to another bar. Red Lion. Paws are welcome, it says on that sign. Thank you.
Hi there.
Hi there, you right? There'll be amber ale, please. What do you want, Jay? Oh, you'll get one. Yeah. Try and mate.
All on the phones, look, antisocial.
That's not. Okay, that's good.
I think Sean smells because he's over there on his own. Look, bless him. Look.
No, you'll smell.
Yeah. We smell. Yeah, that's probably about right, to be fair.
We'll do that end of this weekend.
Definitely.
Get bits like this.
Right, we've just finished in the Three Stags. I'm not actually sure if I filmed us entering the Three Stags Head, to be honest. I can't remember now. But yeah, the Three Stags is the one we were in last time. It was up this way. Now we've just come back to the site, and yeah, Dave's arrived in his van, and he's the guy with the fire pits. So we've got burner.
Did you want the pig as well?
The pig for food.
Pig for food.
And then sack of doom of wood. Doesn't do things by halves, Dave. Look, like a half-ton tote bag full of wood. Fair play, mate. Fair play. The pig is lit.
Right, I'll see you soon, okay?
And the food is stacked, ready to be warmed up. Lovely.
Right.
Definitely looking forward to a bit of food anyway, that's for sure. Starving, huh? Need something to soak up all those beers from the pub crawl we've just done.
Thank you. It's all good.
Yeah, but that's a bit special today.
Always grateful for the food, aren't we?
Yeah, we are, man. It's all good.
Stuffing, roasters,
I'll tell you what, boys, it's a good time so far, isn't it? Great. A real good time.
Sean's a lucky man.
He is.
5 beers in.
Hi, guys. Here we go. Look at this. Pulled pork bubbling away. Duck fat roast potatoes bubbling away. Barbecue ribs heating up on there. That's it now.
I've tried various, because my
The whole reason for drinking beer
alcoholic beers.
Right, good morning. The good man that is Sean made me a brew, so thank you very much. I didn't even ask. He's just like, oh, there's brew in there for you, mashing. Like, nice one. Yeah, it's quite a nice morning. I think me, Jay, Frank, Carl, was up, some of the last few lads up last night. Didn't turn in until about 2 in the morning, so God knows how I'm actually up at this time. It'll come back to bite me later, no doubt. But yeah, I think maybe some people are starting to cook now, breakfast. I think possibly we're still waiting for Danny to get here and then go to the cafe somewhere behind me for breakfast, which I'm looking forward to. So Danny, hurry up, mate. The man has arrived. It's time to get some food. Starving. We're all wasted away waiting for him, so let's get over there quick. So we're over at the cafe now. Still quite a few nice motorbikes here, so if anyone watching wants to buy me one, please do. I'd love another bike. Yeah, absolutely starving. So we're going to get in there and order a breakfast. Oh, it's on record. What an idiot.
It's video now.
We can do this, can't we?
Yeah, excuse me.
That took one, yeah?
Yeah.
Wicked. Time to tuck in to some quality scran. Right, so I've left the lads for a bit. Got all my running clobber on, and I'm just about to run down the dale, past Peterstone, into Crestbrook Dale, and then I'm going to go to Monsell Head, and then probably just, yeah, come back the same way, to be honest. Let's get cracking. Well, I'm on the Monsell Head Viaduct now. I've had, well, come a bit further than I planned already. They've had 2 footpath closures, one at the stepping stones, is it in like Crestbrook, the famous like little bridge crossing, for some reason that's crossed, block, sorry. So I've ended up going a lot further along the river and joining the Monsell Trail at Lytton Mills, which is actually an easier ascent up the bank than I thought it would be, because it looked really, well, it is really steep, but I thought it was a lot further on the map. But yeah, I got up there fairly well. Back down towards Bakewell on the Monsell Trail, and I think now we're going to head up to the pub up on the hill and then back down again, and I think that path should be clear, so let's get on with things. Headstone Tunnel, we're off up here. That's hard work, that, but them views, fantastic. Oh, good morning. We are all packed away. I just had another breakfast at the Yonderman. I've not filmed anything this morning. I didn't film hardly anything last night. After my run, got back, went to the pub, went to the campsite, cooked food, had a massive social, plenty of drinks, fire, gazebo, RatPack punch and everything, and I didn't record any of it, I'm afraid, so sorry about that. Yeah, like I say, just had the breakfast, so we're about to hit the road and get home. So as always on these meets, it's a disjointed video, so hopefully you can follow along somehow. So if you have managed to get this far, thank you very much. Thanks to everyone for liking, commenting and subscribing to the channel. Till next time, goodbye.